Announcing the long-awaited upgrade of our time-proven uncoated SUMIBORON series. The new grades, BN1000 and BN2000, provide enhanced fracture and wear resistance by refining the binder to what is by far the purest level possible. The BN2000 grade is suitable for a wide range of machining applications, from continuous to interrupted cutting. The BN1000 is a high-speed machining grade that offers excellent wear resistance primarily for continuous cutting. Introducing the cutting performance of the BN2000. This shows the wear resistance evaluation of the BN2000 for continuous cutting. With its excellent crater wear resistance, the BN2000 delivers longer tool life free of breakage. This shows the fracture resistance evaluation on a V-grouped work example. In addition to its excellent crater wear resistance, the BN2000 has improved material toughness that gives it 1.4 times longer tool life than conventional grades. The BN2000 is available with several types of edge preparation. Choose the HS type or LT type according to your application. Now let's look at the cutting performance of the BN1000. The BN1000 has the highest wear resistance of all uncoated SUMIBORON grades. It provides stable and long tool life with superior fracture resistance. Ask for the BN1000 or BN2000 for your hardened steel machining applications.